The Delhi government has passed a cabinet note regarding the appointment of bus marshals. Now, this note includes a demand for immediate reinstatement of the marshals. The government it plans to send this note to the Lieutenant Governor, with the submission expected to take place today.
जो काम चुनी हुई सरकार को करना था वो चुनी हुई सरकार ने कर दिया। चुनी हुई सरकार ने बस मार्शल्स को पक्का करने का कैबिनेट डिसीजन ले लिया। अब बॉल भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कोर्ट में है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी जो बस मार्शल्स को बरगलाने की कोशिश कर रही है, उन्हें मिसगाइड करने की कोशिश कर रही है। मेरी उनसे अपील है कि अब कैबिनेट ने पास कर दिया है, सारे बस मार्शल्स और सिविल डिफेंस वॉलंटियर्स को रेगुलराइज करने का निर्णय ले लिया है। अब भारतीय जनता पार्टी उनको रेगुलराइज कराए और उनको नियुक्ति पत्र दिलवाए।
ये खुशी इस बात की है, माननीय उपराज्यपाल जी ने उसी समय मार्शलों का एक प्रतिनिधिमंडल उनसे मिला है। मैंने उनका वीडियो देखा है, वो बड़े खुश हैं और उन्होंने कहा है कि माननीय उपराज्यपाल जी ने हमसे आश्वासन दिया कि हम गंभीरता से इस विषय पे कार्रवाई करेंगे। लेकिन आम आदमी पार्टी का चरित्र आज फिर सबके सामने आया है कि ये सिर्फ राजनीतिक नौटंकी करते हैं। चुनाव सर पर है, इनको मालूम है कि हमारी जमीन खिसक चुकी है। अरविंद केजरीवाल का भ्रष्टाचार पूरी दिल्ली के सर पे चढ़ के बोल रहा है। सब जानते हैं कि दिल्ली की सड़कों की हालत क्या है, दिल्ली में बिजली के बिल कैसे आ रहे हैं, पानी पीने को मिलता नहीं है, किस तरह से शराब और शीश महल के कॉम्बिनेशन ने दिल्ली को खोखला करने का काम किया है।
All right, my colleague Anushka Garg joins us to get us more on this story. Anushka, just give us a sense of what is the likely outcome of this entire row, especially about reinstating the bus marshals here.
Well, certainly, Osama, Delhi saw a lot of heat between Aam Aadmi Party and BJP regarding this whole reinstatement of bus marshal issue. Today, the Delhi Chief Minister Atishi held a meeting with the BJP MPs, BJP MLAs on this whole issue today at the Delhi Secretariat, where a cabinet note was passed. And then the Aam Aadmi Party said that the BJP should take an appointment with the Lieutenant Governor, and they should, take this whole matter into consideration, and they should, take the first move, and then they should take an appointment, and that this whole matter should be presented in front of the Lieutenant Governor. Now, remember on 2015 when Arvind Kejriwal was chosen as the Chief Minister of Delhi, he had appointed almost around 10,000 bus marshals to for women's safety on the DTC buses. Now, after the LG came, he questioned about this whole motive and the justification that made the bus marshals permanent in the DTC. And after that, a lot of bus marshals were sacked in this whole matter. After the sacking, a lot of bus marshals were constantly protesting about this whole issue, and the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party were seen in constant, clashes. Constant war of words was going between Aam Aadmi Party and the Delhi BJP, both of them accusing the other that because of them this matter is not being taken into consideration. Now on September 26, when the two-day session assembly was called, this whole matter got into a tense debate between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. After that, today a meeting was held in the Delhi Secretariat where Atishi and the BJP MLAs took a, they all made a decision unanimously that this whole issue should be taken into consideration, and the bus marshals should be reinstated, and this whole matter should be brought in front of the Delhi LG. And right now also we saw that Aam Aadmi Party Minister Saurabh Bhardwaj and the bus marshals were seen here protesting outside the LG house, after which the Delhi police detained some of them. Dilip Pandey and Saurabh Bhardwaj were detained while they were protesting here, and now also the whole matter is being presented in front of the LG, who met a delegation of the bus marshals today. Back to studio, Sam.